morning, all. I'm Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, and we are now at the 26th of November, 2024, 8:25 a.m. Central Time. Well, the markets got shook last night as President-elect Trump put out on his social media platform that he was raising taxes across the board in Mexico, and I should say tariffs. From Mexico, they're going on. Canada, 25% each, and then 10% on top of what's already there from China. Well, it immediately got the market's attention, and I'm sure Trudeau's and Sheinbaum's attention in Mexico and Canada. And I hear calls were made immediately from Canada, from Trudeau to Trump, and supposedly it went well, but I don't know what that means. What I do know is at one point, if you looked at it, you broke down dramatically in the euro to 104.33. You're now back up. You've actually gone 100 points higher plus since that has come out. Most of the different currencies have done similar because it shook the market. The dollar coming in today about 5 points higher, hasn't really moved all that much. You are getting a bit of a rally in the energy markets. Bonds and notes had a very nice rally yesterday. They've given back a little bit of the yield loss that they had, so they're adding a touch more yield on. In the stock market, it's a mixed bag. The Dow has been everywhere. And please understand, you're in holiday-type markets now. This whole week is that. People travel. People's attention aren't turned to this as much as it would. It gets really bad tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. Well, we're not open Thursday in most markets. Some electronic markets are, as you know. But for the majority, they're not. Friday, they come back, but it'll be reduced volume and things get back to normal on Monday. Speaking about that, when you look at the news today, Red Book sales came in still up 4.9% in both categories. 20 metro home prices. Do we ever get a negative on this? And we did. I'll show you that. Year over year up 4.6%, but all of a sudden, negative 0.3% versus the prior month on a monthly basis. So finally, we are seeing a level at which home prices are stable, falling a little bit. I think that's what you can say. The Richmond Fed's going to give us their manufacturing numbers at 9 o'clock. The Conference Board's going to come out with their confidence index at 9 o'clock. And new home sales are going to come out at 9 as well. So we have a lot today, but a lot more tomorrow with the all-important PCE data that'll give us a read on what the Fed looks at for inflation. It is expected to be a tad higher. So as you look at these markets, you got to try to price in what is going on. The break in gold was dramatic yesterday. There's no other way to say it. You've broken the back of the bulls in the market for the time being. If you remember when we rallied, I said, first I didn't understand the break all the way down. Then on the way up, I put on Fibonacci numbers, said you're about where the market should run out of steam, and it's exactly what happened. Did I expect a one-day break, one of the biggest in years? I did not, but that's what you got. And right here, I think currencies are at the point where maybe the dollar needs to correct a little bit to the downside. They need to come up, but I'm not convinced the overall bigger trends have changed in any manner. This and much more gets discussed in the Linn Associates market research. It doesn't matter what markets you're looking at, if it's a futures-related market, even you ETF people. We're talking the S&Ps, the QQQs. Well, we discussed the S&P itself, the NASDAQ itself, but then we're talking interest rates all the time, what the commodities are looking like, the energy markets, and we back it up with charts and so on. This is what our trading clients get to see. If you'd like to see what people that have accounts with us get, I think it's important. Go to iraepstein.com. There's a list of free offers you can give a try. There's no obligation on your part, no credit cards, nothing like that, even some free courses. iraepstein.com, or move your cursor up here, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the trading day.